Hello dear subscribers, today I'm gonna make video number 64, unit number 64, 2000 Daihatsu Hijet S210P dump truck, 4-wheel drive, high-low gear, differential lock. This is very rare with differential lock. Very nice truck, but have quite a bit of miles, so I'm 52,800 miles. So I'm gonna replace timing belt kit. It's right here. So timing belt, water pump, thermostat, tensioner, crankshaft seal, camshaft seal, and brand spanking new. Two belts for the, I think one of them for dump compressor, another one for the alternator and fan. And beside that, I already removed exhaust manifold. It was leaking here a little, not bad, but it's already started, so slowly from vibration it will get worse. So I ordered it. The exhaust manifold will be replaced. Then where's my light? Of course, I need to search for light. Okay, here we go. So yeah, we've got the valve cover gasket. I'm gonna replace because it's kind of wet here. So, and also it looks like either a camshaft seal leaking or maybe crankshaft seal. Don't looks like leaking, but since I'm gonna opening it all, it's both of them going to be replaced. And also I'm going to take this, I'm going to drain the fluid, coolant, and I'm going to replace the thermostat. What else I'm going to do? I already put brand new transmission mount. The engine mount's great, so I'm not going to touch them. Here's the one here. Yep, I'm gonna touch them. Other than that, I think that's it. I mean, of course, I'm gonna replace the axle oil, transmission oil, front axle oil, engine oil. Been replaced, but I replaced it without filter, so it's like flushing the system, and I will replace the engine oil with the filter. Very nice truck. Very nice truck. Got alloy rims with nice tires. Very nice tires. All four of them. Spare. Don't look too bad. Inflated. That's a dump truck, EFI. This Daihatsu, I believe it's got, maybe not, let me see. No power steering on this one, yeah. I don't see any power steering on this, but steers great. I tried it. So, big job. Exhaust manifold, timing belt kit, brand new transmission mount. Okay, I think this is it. I put that 2x4 just in case, because one time I left it like that overnight and dump laid all the way to my lift. Then I climbed and got some surface rust. Not too bad. Here a little. They've been probably denting it a little. Other than that, it's a very nice truck. The piston, the cylinder, not leaking. Very good. The price was 9,990. But now I gotta add all this work I'm gonna be doing. Probably not gonna be, still not gonna be too expensive. So the timing belt kit around 350 bucks plus my work. Exhaust manifold, I think around 240 bucks or something with the new gasket plus the labor. I'll say 11,000 something plus tax if you're from Tennessee. And I think that's it. It's gonna be short video. After I replace everything, I'll make another video. Yeah, I took everything here. Nice truck. And I might end up replacing this bar. It's been beat up on the sides, kind of all bad. That bar, it's not that expensive, so I'm gonna replace that. Only 8 bolts. Okie doke, have a blessed life. Dump truck, 2000 model.